Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your post in Hootsuite. To start, let's first go into the posting section to make a post of our own. Over here at the left, click the create button to start creating a post and will be sent over to our editor. Do your usual post with some text or whatever you want to add as content. You can even make tags of your own. Make sure that you add the hashtag before the word. You'll know it's a hashtag because when you check the preview, it has a highlight. Now Hootsuite has a handy tool here at the bottom right that says AI hashtag suggestions. And when you press it, and depending on the context of whatever you wrote on the content, it will give some really good suggestions for you to try. Just checkmark whatever you want added, and when you're satisfied, and press Add Hashtags here at the bottom right. And now it's added into your editor. And now you can post this with the hashtag attached to the post. And that's how to add tags to posts in Hootsuite.